Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Port Antonio bypass. Now work has started on phase 1 of the bypass, and the road we're looking at now is actually the Highway 2000 east-west leg that takes you from Kingston to Maypen. But this is what the Port Antonio bypass is going to look like when finished. It's a major project taking place in Portland. And the government has a lot of plans for the eastern part of the island. You're going to see more housing developments taking place in St. Thomas and Portland over the next few years. Currently, the government has a southern coastal highway that takes you from Kingston to Morant Bay, actually from Kingston to Port Antonio, and it will join the Port Antonio bypass to take you all the way to the northern coastal highway. So it's a major road project, and it's one of the 9 major highway construction projects that the government has on the way in Jamaica. So we're going to give you an update on the construction of the Port Antonio bypass. Construction has officially begun on the long-awaited bypass highway project in Port Antonio, marking a major step forward in Jamaica's ongoing effort to modernize its road infrastructure. The development is expected to improve transportation in Portland, reduce traffic congestion, and create new opportunities for economic growth and tourism along the northeastern coast. The project is being carried out by the National Works Agency, which confirmed that work has already started on sections of land owned by the government. Heavy equipment and construction teams are now active in areas around Turtle Harbour and Waterworks as engineers begin preparing the route for the new roadway. The bypass highway is designed to ease pressure on the narrow streets of Port Antonio, where increasing traffic has caused delays for motorists, businesses, and residents for many years. By creating an alternative route around the town center, the project aims to shorten travel times, improve road safety, and support smoother movement of goods and people across Portland. The highway project will be completed in phases. The first section, which has started, is expected to cover approximately 7 kilometers from Norwich to Turtle Harbour, while the second phase will extend from Turtle Harbour to Boston Bay. Even though construction started in a different section than originally expected, the government says the decision was based even though construction started in a different section than originally expected, the government says the decision was based on land availability and engineering planning. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.